Hello, welcome to That Math Channel, where we do tips and tricks to help you with your math problems. Today we're going to do a trick to help you remember your 3 times tables. So if you're stuck without a multiplication table, you can just write this down and you'll have all the 3's right in front of you. So we're going to start by making a tic-tac-toe board. And we're going to start down here in the bottom right corner. And we're going to start just counting up from 1. And we're going to start in the tens place, go back down to the bottom, go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Sorry, I said tens place. We're going to write that on the right so it's in the ones place. And then 10 we're going to put over here. Then on each of these rows we go zeros in the top, 1 in the next row, and 2 in the third row. And then your 3 is over here. And the way I remember this is we're never going to go above 30 unless we're going above a 10 times table. So we know that our tens digit is always going to be 0, 1, or 2. And then you have it. Ta-da! 3 times 1 are 3 times 2 are 3 times 3. 3 times 4.
3 times 5. 3 times 6. 3 times 7. 3 times 8. 3 times 9.
And 3 times 10. There you go. Practice that a few times and you'll never forget it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.